Hi, my name is Doug Jefferson, and this is my Module 1 for Innovative Technology Integration. So first off, a little personal information. I've been married 18 years. I have 3 kids. Going into this next school year, I'll have one in high school, one in middle school, and one in grade school. So going to be plenty busy. I'm currently the head baseball coach at Augusta High School, and I'm involved in lots of outside activities. In the past, I've coached football. I've helped with all kinds of um, other school-sponsored events as well as community events here in Augusta. When we are not at a ball field or a football field or a practice of some sort, myself and my family, we like doing stuff outside, whether it's fishing or being at the lake, whenever time allows. So professionally, I've been at Augusta High School. This is my 20th year that I just completed. One of the reasons I decided to finally get my administrative certification was because in the 20 years I've been at Augusta, we've had great administrators. And recently I've started to notice, and talking with other coaches and other teachers around the area here, a lot of our good leaders, principals, assistant principals, they're starting to retire. They're starting to get out of it. And I just decided it was time, with my background, with my knowledge, with my leadership abilities, that that would be the next step in my career professionally, is to move up. Never thought of being a principal in the past. I always enjoyed being in the classroom, being around the kids, but as I get older and I see people leaving, I want to pass on what leadership abilities and knowledge past administrators of mine have passed on to me. So, a little reflection here. Classroom instruction, obviously, over the last 20 years, has changed tremendously. When I first started at Augusta, believe it or not, I didn't even have a computer in my room. No computer, no phone, no nothing. We used to take attendance on a bubble sheet and hang it up on the door, and an office aide would come by and get it. So the instruction has changed tremendously. I think nowadays you have to cater more to your students, because they really don't have to listen to you. They can go Google anything they want to Google and find out information on their own. So you really have to do things to pique their interest, to keep them involved. And technology is a large portion of that in today's classroom. Student achievement, more important than ever. There's more pressure on every level of education, whether it's elementary, middle school, or high school, with all these e-academies popping up or online schools. Many kids are starting to go that route, just because it leaves more time for them to maybe pursue their future occupation, or it just works out better for them for whatever reason. So student achievement, like I said, is more important than ever. There's more competition to get in college. There's more competition to get into trade schools. Um, so yeah, very, very important. And continuous school improvement. Basically, if you don't move forward, you're going to get left behind. So schools have to continuously move forward as far as improvement in education. Critique. Normally, I try a few different things each semester and kind of pick and choose what I like and don't like. This year, I'll be brutally honest, was not a good year. I was trying to finish my certification in this program in 1 year, and trying to get my 150 hours in one school year. And I also took on credit recovery for suspended students. So I didn't get to try a lot of new stuff this year and was pretty swamped. So this year, this is my main focus, is to try new things and, um, be a better teacher in the classroom this year than I was this past year. One of the ways I'd like to do this is, I really like the way these Fort Hays State online classes were set up, and I would like to try some of these ideas and different things as far as classroom into my classroom where a lot of their stuff is online, easily accessible, turning stuff in. Matter of fact, another colleague, along with myself, we're going to try to put this together in our social studies department. And then funding has no impact on this. So this is just something we're going to do on our own in our own free time. And that's my intro module. Looking forward to hearing from everybody and looking forward to this class. Thank you.